A is for apple, red and round, falling softly to the ground. Crunchy, tasty, what a treat! Apples are so fun to eat. B is for ball, we bounce and play. Rolling, rolling all the way. Kick it high or toss it far. Catch it shining like a star. C is for cat, with whiskers neat. Soft and furry, light on feet. She likes to chase and likes to nap, curled up warm on mommy's lap. D is for dog, who loves to run. Chasing sticks is so much fun. Wags his tail both night and day. Happy doggy wants to play. E is for elephant, big and gray, swinging his trunk in a funny way. He stomps so loud and splashes too. Elephants love the water. Do you? F is for fish, who swims around in the water, up and down. Bubble, bubble, 1, 2, 3. Fish are swimming happily. G is for goat, with a little beard. Climbing high, he's not afraid. He eats green grass the whole day long. Bleat, 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 that's his song. H is for hat, so tall and neat, worn on heads to look so sweet. Red or blue or maybe brown, hats can make you dance around. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melting quickly in the heat. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry too. I'll share my ice cream just with you. J is for jump, up to the sky. Stretch your arms and reach up high. Jumping jacks are fun to do. Let's all jump, me and you. K is for kite, flying so high. Dancing, twirling in the sky. Hold it tight and watch it go, up above the world below. L is for lion, brave and strong. He loves to roar the whole day long. In the jungle, king is he. Lion rules so fearlessly. M is for monkey, full of cheer. Swinging branches far and near. He laughs and plays the whole day through. Chatter, chatter, that's what he'll do. N is for nest, up in the tree. Little birds sing happily. Mama bird keeps babies warm, safe and snug from any storm. O is for orange, round and sweet. Juicy fruit that's fun to eat. Peel it slowly, 1, 2, 3. Yummy orange just for me. P is for parrot, green and bright. Talking loudly, what a sight. Hello, hello, the parrot cries, flapping wings across the skies. Q is for queen, with a golden crown, wearing a robe of royal gown. She waves her hand so gracefully. Good day, my friends, says she. R is for rabbit, soft and white, hopping around with pure delight. He nibbles carrots, orange and sweet, then snuggles down to rest his feet. S is for sun, shining bright, giving the world its golden light. It wakes the flowers and warms the air. Sunshine, sunshine, everywhere. T is for train, chugging fast. Over the hills it goes at last. Choo-choo, choo-choo, hear it say, train is rolling far away. U is for umbrella, up in the rain, keeping us dry again and again. When the clouds go away, hooray! We fold it up and run to play. V is for violin, playing a tune, soft and lovely under the moon. Strings go high, then strings go low. Music makes our hearts all glow. W is for watch, tick, tick, tock, telling the time it's 6 o'clock. Round and shiny on your hand helps you know when to take a stand. X is for xylophone, rainbow bright, playing music day and night. Tap the bars, ting, tang, ting. Hear the happy letters sing. Y is for yellow, bright and fun, like the shining morning sun. Yawn and stretch, it's time to play. Yellow sunshine starts the day. Z is for zebra, black and white. Running fast, what a sight! Stripes so special, bold and neat. Zebra's legs are quick and fleet. Now we've sung from A to Z, learning letters happily. Clap your hands and shout hooray! We love learning every day.